Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please support your guest. Support me by hitting on this subscribe button below. Then you will see a bell. Touch that bell stands for notification bell. Anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for as many that have been supporting this channel in one way or the other. May God Almighty bless you. May He grant you a helper when you need one. Thank you all. Today video we want to talk about na be this video wey concern this video wey dey go viral for Facebook for all media. Some of una fit don watch am while some never still watch am. Na the video dey show for up so. This video concern this lady wey dey work for this white woman for house as a cleaner, as a helper. E go there, go work, e go still comot. I don't know wetin transpire between both of them. But the woman come meet am for where the innocent woman for the wash plate. He spit on her body. This thing, e don't tell where they happen. E don't tell where this woman they pass through different things from this old woman hand. Now make am set camera say one day he go video this woman. Not be the thing will be say it dey surprise to me because I don't dey see a lot of things like this. Some people wey dey work for this home care people, my dear, things wey they see, if they open their mouth tell you, you go surprise. Especially we be black. If we open mouth tell una wetin we dey pass through, especially those people wey dey work under these old women care people, you no go believe. These are the thing wey be say our people for home they don't know. These are the thing wey be say black people they pass through while some people for home they don't understand. Only for them to say money, money, money. These are the things that make some people shed tears. Me wey they tell na this story so I get my own experience where I go still share. Just similar to this kind of thing wey this woman dey pass through. E get one woman where I go dey take off. I reach this woman house. He say no want me I work for her. I say wetin, why? No be today start dey work for you. He say he no want because he no want black around them. I say you don't say where they call your house, they help you, they do everything now. The woman say no, he no want you. I call the couple say see wetin this woman talk. They tell me say me I just pet her, me I dey work. I say okay. I truly go there. I dey tell the woman sweet words. I pet her. As I call the pet her, they talk to her. He say no, you no want me I work for her. Say I be black. Say sometimes when they see me, e be like say me na him slave because they don't fit use black people to do slave. In case she dey get that kind of feeling. Netland say no worry. This one not be that time. That time now they use black. Now they pay, they only do their anything. But now I dey work for my money. Let me work for you. The woman come okay. I can't really do everything for her that day. I can't come out. That one some things will be say black they pass through for people hand. E get one where I go your house. I say me I work for her. The woman say no. I say wetin na? The woman talk say he no want me I work for her. I can't see they use my whole say me I do this thing, me I come on for here. I say I hear for my back. Those stick with the waka. He hit her for my back. I take her for us. If I see me I hit her for this woman head now. What if people go talk? They'll say I beat old woman. I drop the stick. I carry my bag. I come out. Now this kind of thing, people they pass through. We be say, we they outside. We know they know. See this innocent black woman. If they work, if they do your thing, we be say he can't do for this old woman. For the old woman to appreciate what he they do for her, he spit for her body. He started insult her. What will you feel? If you do this kind of position, what do you go do? But people for home, they don't know. They call say, bring money for me. Bring this one for me. So see they will be say, you go say, okay, may I give her? You go say, that one have money. You got money. You got money here. That is things will be say people they pass through for this Europe. Where people know they know. is too much. Wetin dis woman e do dis old woman now? Wetin dis old woman want to say dis lady e do am because say e dey work for am, because say e be black, because say e no like blacks. These are the reasons that is making them to behave the way they are behaving. As I watch this video, it touched me. The other part, I no still feel am bad because I don't still experience this kind of thing, similar thing like this. My people wey dey home, if you see anybody wey dey abroad, e use the mic take give you something, appreciate am. If he tell you suffer wey dey suffer, if he tell you the road wey him pass, see that 50 euro wey second give you, you no go believe. Those of them wey be say still dey do road work, they tell you the insult, the abuse wey they receive for road, you no go believe. Abeg, if you dey Africa, you get sister, you get brother for this Europe, he give you money, appreciate am. Or you dey Africa, person dey bring money for you, say help me to do this kind of work, use that money as he talk. Abeg, because wetin people dey pass through for abroad, if you hear am, my dear, you no go believe. If you tell people the suffer wey dey abroad, they'll tell you say if abroad no go, wetin you want do, make you come house now. No, that person no be say if you want go home, you no fit go home. E get some reason wey make am no fit your carry it back, say I dey go home, because where e dey, e better pass where e dey go. For that simple reason, e go dey bear all this suffering dey go. I just want to share this video because when I saw that video, it touched me. I say, okay, let me use this opportunity to beg each and every one of us, especially our people wey dey home. No feel say abroad na paradise. No feel say abroad na enjoyment dey dey. No, nowhere is paradise. Everybody is passing through difficult things in this our whole life. Here is my little short of video I just decided to drop here. Those of you wey be say you never watch the video, here is the video. Please, after watching, do not forget to share the video, give this video a like, and subscribe to this channel.
Want this one too? You want more? That's the kind of fire you like. Thinking rotten fire, just like you. And you're a liar, and a thief, and an actress too. Don't take my car out there, because if you do, I will call the police and tell them to pick, it's a stolen car. So don't take my car anywhere.
Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.